Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to my today's class. We are going to deliver a lecture on construction of triangles. Learning outcomes. Dear learners, at the end of this class, you all will be able to know key ideas in case of constructions. And then construct a triangle and its three sides are given. And then construct a triangle when the two sides and the angle between them are given. Finally, construct a triangle when one of its sides and the two adjoining angles of the side are given. Main speech on the topic, key ideas in case of constructions. The figure or diagram will always be drawn accurately. To do so, sharp pencil should always be used. Overlapping or overwriting should always be avoided. Correct measurement should always be ensured. Dear learners, I can tell you, if you maintain these three things, you will get the full marks. And then construction 1, construct a triangle when its three sides are given. That's why we have drawn three sides, A, B, and C. With this, we are to write particular enunciation. Before writing particular enunciation, we should say something. Number 1, since we know the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, that's why these three lengths should be drawn in such a way that the sum of any two lengths will always be greater than the third one. Another question may be arisen in you. How will set it in the question paper? This statement will always be a part of STEM. In part B or C of creative question, you will always be asked to construct the stimulus triangle with its description, or you may be asked to draw the stimulus triangle within brackets. It may be written, the symbols and description of drawing are essential. Such type of questions are not generally set. Questions are set with particular data such as the length 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, etc., and the angles 30 degrees, 40 degrees, etc. Such type of question will be discussed later on from the exercise 9.3 of your book. Now, particular enunciation. Particular enunciation is a statement, and any statement has two parts. The first part should mention the given condition, and in the second part, we should mention what is to be done. That's why we have to write, let A, B, C be the given three sides of a triangle. We have to construct the triangle. Or you may write, the triangle is to be constructed, or it is required to construct the triangle. And then steps of construction. In either case, we should always consider the ray. We have considered here the ray AE. Step 1, we cut off AB is equal to A from any ray AE. This sign is very much important because it indicates that you have taken a measure of this length. First step. And then second step, with centers at the points A and B and ray D equal to B and C respectively, we draw two arcs on the same side of AB. So see the second step. This can also be written separately. You may write here with center at the point A and radius equal to B, we draw an arc on any side of AB, or on the above side of AB with center B and radius equal to C, we draw another arc on the same side of AB. However, the two arcs intersect each other at the point C. We join AC, BC. Therefore, ABC is the required triangle. Let's see the next one. Construction 2. Construct a triangle on the two sides and the angle between them are given. That's why we have drawn two sides A and B, and the angle between them is X. Particular enunciation. Let A be the two given sides of the triangle and X be the angle included between these sides. We have to construct the triangle. And then steps of construction. The same way you should consider the AE, and then we cut off A is equal to A from any ray AE. See, just see this step 1. And the length B can never be taken without drawing the angle X. That's why we draw the angle X at the point A. to do. So we draw two arcs of same radius. This point as center and A is center. And then another arc measuring the angle X. And then we join A with the point of intersection of these two arcs and extend it. But in your second is to just you have to write we draw angle BAF is equal to angle X at the point A of AB. You see the step 2. And then B may be taken from AF. Just you have to write, we cut off AC is equal to B from AF. And then join BC. Since X is the angle between these two sides A and B in the triangle ABC, therefore ABC is the required triangle. And next construction 3, construct a triangle where one of its sides and two adjoining angles of the side are given. That's why we have considered and drawn the side A and the two angles X and Y. With this, we have to write particular enunciation. Let A be the given side of the triangle and X, Y be the adjoining angles of the side. We have to construct the triangle. And then steps of construction. Same way, we should consider the AE, and then step 1, we cut off AB is equal to A from an array AE. Then we draw an angle at the point A equal to angle X, and another angle at the point B equal to angle Y. Let us do this. We draw the two arcs of same radius and another arc of measuring the angle X, and join A with the point of intersection of the arcs and extend it. But in every step, just you have to write, we draw angle BAF is equal to angle X at the point A of AB. Similarly, we should write, we draw angle ABZ equals to angle Y at the point B of BA, not AB, B of BA series. I think you have already known how to draw equal angle. AF and BZ intersect each other at the point C in the triangle ABC. A is the side, and X and Y are the adjoining angles of it, are the adjacent angle of A. That's why ABC is the required triangle. Dear learners, if you have any query, you must write me. Undoubtedly, you will be satisfied by getting your answer. Thank you very much. Best of luck. With this, I conclude here.